Alright. Let's go, my boys. It's Friday. Friday in it, be. Morning, morning. Long story. It's a long story. It's a long Now my work shoes, they started talking, so I had to improvise. Finally got our fourth cart. 59. 879. 645. 378. 813. Alright, yeah, that thing was kind of annoying. I'll be alright. $482, 268, 203. Oh, it's because what else we got? 886, 497, 746, 957. This right here, that way. 957, 189, 044, 490. Peace. Let's put this up here. This. Yeah. Alright, we got 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. That's dog food, I'm guessing. Some sort of food. Somebody food. Six 625, 523, 675, 593, 625, 624, 590, 606. Put that right here. Morning. What's up, my bro? What's up, boss? Good, good. How you doing? Sir, happy holiday. You too, man. Thank you. 528, 523, 585, 633. Put it right here. 571. Fragile. Here, I always expect to get no help when you load in the vans because everybody got hella shit today. 432, 291, 380, like right here, 326, 392, 498, 273, 402. It's like this. 298, 394. That right here. 455. 339. Put that right there. 401. 297. 414. Let's go ahead and just put this right here. Don't get cut by the box again. Oosh. I'm sweating. Sweat is good. 275. 3. 522. 514. 268. This right here. 630. 672. 41. And that, my friends, is how you load the van one-on-one. Try to get everything as much as you can sit on the shelves, so you got all of this room to work with, you feel me?